Okay, we took the top down on the car, made sure it was functional, everything worked fine, except for we're going to replace the top with a new top because the condition of the back window was just terrible. All right, so here we go. The weather's been really bad here, cold as you know what, but back to the car. We've got headlights in, everything fit real well. The bumper's on, bumper went on great. Here's the side that was originally damaged. You see all the gaps are really nice, really good. Everything's hooked back up, and the bumper's on here just temporarily. It's got 2 bolts on this side, 2 bolts on that side, and 2 on the top. Those will be taken out when we go to the paint shop because we will paint this car with the bumper off. Fender's on, everything going well with that. This here is the Cervini hood. I really like the hood. It also came with a windshield wiper delete for the wash. And what they do is hook up and they spray inside here. These grills come out. The fiberglass quality was really nice, really thick. You can't push it, it's not wavy. But, let me show you something else. If you see the way the plumbing is underneath here from these ram air spots, it all drops to right here, right where your fresh air is going to be. So the hood's got really a lot of functionality to it. Now, the directions on this hood after it got shipped to me was supposed to either leave it out for 5 days in the sun to let it off gas. And I've done that already. The gel coat on this is really nicely done. It's got a couple minor imperfections, a couple of edges and stuff. If you look under here, these edges right here need to be worked and sanded. I'll sand them down. I'll prepare it and I'll paint underneath the hood first, and then I'll paint the top of the hood on the car. The gaps all lined up really well. I had to loosen up 1 bolt here, 1 bolt here, move the fender up just a hair, but those are so easy to do. So we got good gaps. Now next thing I'm going to do is actually I'm going to spray this with guide coat and flat block this hood. I'll flat block it probably with either 180 or 220, get it good straight. Then I'll use another product that's a polyester body filler. It's spray, it's a primer polyester, so we call it spray on Bondo. Basically I'll spray that on, then I'll block that again, and I'll show you that whole process how we do that. I want this hood super straight. I want it to look more like a metal hood rather than a fiberglass hood. What I mean by that is some of your fiberglass products tend to have a lot of waves in them. If you look at it when it's good and shiny and it looks plastic, I'm going to try to take out a lot of that by flat blocking this really well. Okay, so that's where we are on the Mustang right now. Everything's went together real good, real fast. I should have filmed it, but I didn't because really there was no need. If you take it apart, you know how to put it together. And all my lines were all good. I didn't have any major problems. Next thing I do is I'll show you step by step how we do this hood. This hood was $500, so if you watched the video before, video number 3, it'll tell you where we're at money-wise. Add $500 to it. I ordered it straight from the company. Cervini's. I ordered it straight from their website. I had it delivered to a friend of mine's body shop, which saved me on shipping. But honestly, it was cheaper to order it straight from the factory than it was to order it through another vendor. Right? Anyway, that's where we are. This is a quick shot telling you I don't want to bore you with anything. So next thing, I'll pull this hood off with my son. I'll place it up. We'll prime it. After it's blocked, then I'll block it again after we prime it. I'll just walk you through all the prep processes that I do this hood, okay? In the next video. Thank you.